A barrage refers to a rapid, large-scale outpouring of something, often overwhelming in nature. It's used to describe a continuous delivery of information, questions, or even artillery fire, emphasizing the intensity and volume of the output. Designate, as a verb, means to indicate or appoint someone to a position or task. As an adjective, it refers to someone selected but not yet installed in a role. It helps in recognizing roles and responsibilities in various contexts. An enigma is a person or thing that is deeply puzzling, often defying understanding or explanation. It describes situations or individuals that remain mysterious despite efforts to comprehend them. Enigmas challenge our perception and often require deeper investigation to unravel their complexities. Infuriate means to make someone very angry or enrage them. This verb is often used to describe situations or actions that provoke intense irritation or anger. It helps in identifying and managing emotions effectively, especially in conflict resolution or communication scenarios. A pacifist is someone who opposes war and violence, advocating for peaceful resolutions. As an adjective, it describes actions or attitudes that reject conflict. Understanding pacifism helps us appreciate the importance of nonviolent approaches in global and personal contexts. Queue, as a noun, refers to a line of people waiting for something, like a bus. As a verb, it means to form such a line. Understanding this term is essential in contexts where orderly waiting is required, ensuring efficiency and fairness in service delivery. Slake means to satisfy or relieve a need or desire. It often refers to quenching thirst or fulfilling a craving. In broader contexts, it can mean bringing something to an end, such as slaking curiosity or a demand. Understanding this term helps in articulating the completion of various needs or desires effectively. Terrain refers to the landscape's physical features, influencing its suitability for various uses. It encompasses elements like mountains, valleys, and plains, impacting agriculture, construction, and even military strategies. Understanding terrain is crucial in fields such as geography and environmental science, where it aids in planning and decision-making processes. A vow is a solemn promise or pledge, often sacred in nature. It can be a noun, representing the promise itself, or a verb, indicating the act of making such a promise. Vows are integral in various contexts, symbolizing commitment and sincerity. Waylay means to lie in wait and ambush. This term often describes a surprise attack, where the element of surprise is crucial. Understanding this word helps in comprehending scenarios involving strategic planning and unexpected confrontations.